जीतेगी, हम लड़ेंगे। मुझे उद्धव ठाकरे कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
बेटे को मारा, मेरे बेटे को मारा, मेरे इन लॉ से मिलने नहीं दिए।
Arnab! They're physically assaulting Arnab.
Please come out.
Why you are closing the door? With legal capacity we are inside. With legal capacity we are inside. Yes.
Everything is live. Everything is live.
That's fine. We are in legal capacity.
Maintain social distance.
Yes. We'll keep.
Maintain social
You
distance.
are closing the door.
You sign over here. Ma'am, please.
Yeah.
Ma'am, please.
I'm sitting
You
down.
put your signature on this paper. Please, ma'am. Please acknowledge. Ma'am, please acknowledge the copy. Is it on me? Yeah. Is it for you? It's addressed to you. Please, ma'am. Please look here.
Keep a distance.
Better you come with us.
Keep a distance.
Better where you come with us. Are you coming with
Keep a
us?
distance from
Are
me.
you coming with us peacefully?
Just one second.
Just told. Are you coming with us?
Please,
What I am asking, are you coming with us?
Please wait. I am DYSP Praveen Patil. Listen. I am not finished. Listen. I am DYSP Praveen Patil from Raigad Police. I am here to arrest you in CR number 59 of 2018 under section 306/34 IPC.
Why did
You have to cooperate me. You have to cooperate with me.
Why did you physically assault?
Please come.
You physically
Why did
assaulted
you
by
physically assault? Ajay, they have physically assaulted you. He's physically
We
assaulted
are
you.
going to cooperate. We are going to arrest him.
Shamu,
We are taking him to Raigad, Alibag.
they physically assaulted
They
me.
are physically assaulted.
ठीक है चल
They have physically assaulted me. I need to make some arrangements.
चल घर
I need to make some arrangements. Shamu, I need to make some arrangements. I need to make some arrangements. I need to make some arrangements. I am elderly people in the family. I need to make some arrangements. I am
handing outside your residence.
You have physically assaulted me. I have some problems.
No physically assaulted.
You have
to
physically
cooperate.
assaulted me. And I need to make arrangements with my family. So please wait outside.
No. You are under arrest right now. We have your ample time.
No, you don't physically assault me.
चलो खाने का सब चलो खाने का
Supreme Court official.
This is intimation to you. Intimation. This is you just read it and put it by your signature. You first sign it and then you yes. You just put your signature over it.
Don't physically assault me. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son.
Nobody has touched your first son.
You have touched my son. You have assaulted me. You have physically assaulted me. You cannot physically. I'm telling you, you have physically assaulted me. Assaulting my family. Please cooperate. If you do this, you have to
One to court. Okay. You just put
You
it
have my
your
parents beaten me in my house. No, who is this man? Why is he physically assaulted me? Why is he bringing me in the house in the morning? I am the editor-in-chief of Republic TV. You are physically assaulting me. Is this correct? Sachin, you tell me why you are physically assaulting me. I will not accept physical assault. I will not accept. I will cooperate but not physical assault.
आराम से शांति से मैं बात करता हूँ.
Not physical assault. No. You have no. What happened?
सर जी आप बैठिए, मैं करता हूँ, बात करता हूँ सर. मैं चेयरमैन हूँ बिल्डिंग का, मुझे अभी पता है. आप मुझे बता देते मैं थोड़ा.
I need to make arrangements for elderly people.
सर जी आप बैठिए, मैं कर
There
रहा
are some
हूँ.
elderly
आप
people in
बैठिए
the
सर.
family. I need to make some arrangements. I think you have to allow.
सर देखिए
Not like this. Not physically assaulting
सर
me
आप
inside my
बैठिए
house.
प्लीज, मैं बात करता हूँ सर प्लीज.
If you have physically assaulted me inside my house, Shamo, do not sign these papers. They are trying to force you to do it. You cannot physically. They cannot physically assault me inside my house.
Leave it.
Shamo,
No problem.
they have physically assaulted me inside my house. I will seek the advice of my lawyers. I will cooperate.
At police station you will.
No. I will.
No. At police station you will.
One second.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
Listen to me, Sachin.
फाइनल गया फाइनल.
Sit down first of all and maintain
आप
social distance.
बैठिए, आप सब बैठिए ना प्लीज.
Maintain social distancing and sit around. This is my house. Please maintain social distancing. You can't physically assault me.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
I have to make arrangements for my family members before leaving.
हम अरेंजमेंट कर देंगे.
I will make arrangements. You can't. I have to make arrangements. I have elderly parents. I have to make arrangements for their treatment. Cannot get. My hand is injured. I'm supposed to go
Oh,
to
you
the
are the
hospital.
encounter cop. Oh, you
You're Sachin Vaze.
You are the Sadhvi Pragya beater, no?
Shamo,
Yes,
Shamo,
yes,
Shamo.
yes. Okay, okay.
You are Sachin Vaze. Sachin, listen. Sit down.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down.
No,
No,
I
you
will-
sit
I will
down.
take
We
the
will have to
advice
make
of
some
my
arrangements.
प्लीज कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
It's your right to do it, please do it.
Sachin. Yeah, so why don't you leave the residence there and make the arrangements?
You are in our custody, sir.
No, but I can't do this while you are sitting here.
Arnab, you are in our custody.
There are 20
And you are,
people in my house.
no, yes. By doing this, you are making problem to yourself.
No, no, no.
Please don't
Don't
do
You have
worry,
a
we
physically
are ready
assaulted
for
me,
any
Sachin.
problem.
Who
Don't worry.
assaulted?
Shamo,
We will take
you have physically assaulted me.
I am not
Sachin.
assaulted.
Physically
You have.
assaulted.
Arre, when?
Sachin, you and me have.
No, no, this thing I will not.
This physical assault chain,
Yeah,
which has
I came
happened.
later.
I just want to tell you, viewers,
I came
these
later.
are the people here. Shamo, is this live?
अर्नब जी आप
No.
These are the people, they have
We
physically
have to
assaulted
use
me.
force now. We have to use force now. If you do like this,
प्लीज
please don't do that.
प्लीज
Please
कोऑपरेट
don't do
कीजिए.
that.
लीगल एक्शन है.
And then we will use
आपको
force.
पूरे लीगल राइट्स है. आप जो
Yes.
करना है आप एडवोकेट को
Yes.
बोल दीजिए. आपको पूरे लीगल राइट्स है. लेकिन
Yes.
अभी
Shamo.
आपको हमारे साथ चलना
You
पड़ेगा.
assaulted.
Shamo,
No?
they have assaulted, they have
Yes,
assaulted
yes.
us.
I have got that all live. That's gone live. That assault.
Great.
And this person assaulted me, I don't know his name.
आप चलिए.
Oh, आपका तो ये भी नहीं है. ये this is
Shamo, 1 second.
this is this. Okay, guys, everybody see this all over India. This is the man. He doesn't have a tag.
Shamo,
He doesn't have a tag. We don't even know whether he's actually a legit police officer. Guys.
Shamo, 1 second, 1 second. These people are physical. I just want to give a report before going. Shamo, first of all, don't worry.
आप कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
Everything will be all right.
अर्नब जी
These people have entered my house and
आप
physically
लीगल
assaulted
एक्शन
me
के लिए
today.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
This is therefore the high-handedness of the Mumbai police.
I'll send it to the.
They came at 6 o'clock in the morning. They physically assaulted me. They pulled me out of my house. They dragged me by my belt. This person and Sachin
gentleman,
Vaze,
this gentleman.
who has entered my house illegally, have physically assaulted
Illegally
me.
they have entered. This gentleman in the plain clothes also assaulted. This gentleman in the blue shirt and plain clothes has also assaulted. And we have shown you live that entire
Why
incident.
he physically assaulted me? I want to file a case.
उसके ऊपर लीगल एक्शन लेंगे.
He has
लेकिन अभी
physically
तो आपको
assaulted
चलना है. वो हम लीगल एक्शन लेंगे.
Yes, physically. I want action against Sachin Vaze and this person, Praveen Patil.
Where is that Sachin Vaze run
physically
off? Where
assaulted
is
me.
he escaped?
Who
there
physically
he is.
assaulted me.
अभी आपको चलना पड़ेगा.
No, physical assault is unacceptable and I have been, it cannot be done. Listen, he is an encounter cop. Listen, you please go down, I'll make arrangements. You please go down, I'll make arrangements.
You will use force. We would like to see you use force. Use force, please.
You use force, but I
Use
need to make
force.
arrangements.
You are threatening, no?
If
We
you
know
say
that.
that you're going to use force,
Please,
it will be shown to the
we will show it
We are
live.
requesting you, please
No,
cooperate.
you
with police.
assaulted, no? You assaulted. You
From
assaulted.
last 2 hours, I am requesting you now. Please cooperate with us.
Well, you.
I mean, I'm requesting you very calmly.
Legal
Very
action.
calmly.
As per your request,
Now
we are
his
standing
is
since
tagged.
last
Now
2 hours.
his is
You have
tagged.
assaulted
Since last
someone.
2 hours, I am standing there.
You have physically assaulted me, I am injured. I now need to take medical advice and come. Because of your physical assault, I am feeling unwell. So I'll take medical advice and come.
वो भी मिलेगा.
नहीं,
वो भी
Physically
मिलेगा.
assaulted me. I need to
मेडिकल असिस्टेंस भी मिलेगा. लीगल एड असिस्टेंस भी मिलेगा. लेकिन अभी आपको हमारे साथ
सचिन जी मुझे फिजिकली असॉल्ट किया गया है इसलिए मैं और मैं कोई आई एम अ वेरी वेल अवेयर सिटीजन इफ यू फिजिकली असॉल्टेड मी आई नीड मेडिकल एडवाइस बिफोर लीविंग बिकॉज आफ्टर द फिजिकल असॉल्ट आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल
अभी आपको चलना पड़ेगा. कोऑपरेट कीजिए.
I need
We would like to record the
I need to
physical
make
assault.
arrangements for my family members.
Please.
Shamo, just record this. I don't want to talk.
Please, yeah, सगळेजण या.
I want to talk. I want to talk to my family before leaving. Will you leave the room? Give me privacy to speak to my family. I want to speak to my family.
Please, please, we are requesting you, please, don't.
I need to make a
प्लीज आप लोग उनको तबीयत खराब लग रहा है
Please, we are requesting, please follow me.
Please, ma'am.
There will be separate charge on me.
No, 1 second. You don't physically assault.
I was not there.
You were there. No, you
No.
Arnab,
Don't
please,
talk, please, yeah?
don't physically assault.
No one has physically assaulted you. You are
First of all, don't surround me like this.
you are in our custody.
अभी चलिए, चलो, please.
You are no one to dictate
We are
anything.
requesting.
You are in our custody.
Don't shout at me.
You are in our custody. You are in
You
police
physically
custody.
assaulted me. This
I have
morning.
not. I have not.
What is the charge?
Sorry?
What is the charge?
We will tell you. We will give in writing.
Already you have copied to your wife.
Yeah, we have already given
Please ask her.
return.
Please ask her.
Return.
No, I
Return.
can't got anything.
She found the paper.
I couldn't read. You took it away. I couldn't read. You took it away.
Serial number.
अर्नब जी चलिए.
Once again, I will tell you, is case number 69 of 2018 under section 306/34 IPC about Raigad police. Come on.
That this is closed.
No close, not
It has been
close.
opened.
It's open.
You have been arrested. You are arrested.
You are arrested by Raigad police. Come on.
You have been arrested by Raigad police. चलिए उधर. Yeah.
Che, they've assaulted me. Shamo, listen, I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife. I want to speak to my wife.
झालं उचला आता.
मोबाईल द्या त्याच्याकडे.
You can't.
उचला त्याला दिसू दे.
Shamo, record.
उचला.
Shamo, record this.
दरवाजाच्या बाहेर आम्ही एक तास उभे होतो ना, मॅडम. मग एक तास आम्ही बाहेर उभे होतो ना. मग ही प्रॉपर गोष्ट आहे का? तुम्ही पोलिसांना बाहेर एक तास उभं करून ठेवलंय आणि तुम्ही चुकीच्या बातम्या स्प्रेड करताय.
माझ्याबरोबर बोलून काय फायदा नाही.
नहीं, तुम्ही त्यांना त्रास देता.
रिक्वेस्ट करतो.
चलो.
चलो. अर्नब जी, चलिए, please.
चलो आगे प्लीज.
चलो इनफ.
Come, you come by your own. हम टच नहीं करते.
But I need to consult my doctor.
Yes. Every all medical help will be given.
You will get everything.
You will get everything.
Advocate,
Yes, everything you will get.
Che, Shamo,
चलो.
just call the doctor.
We have.
चलो. चल भाई उचल.
Shamo, I need to speak to my wife.
चल उचला.
Sachin, just stay away from me. I need to speak to my wife.
No.
I
You
need
got
to
too
speak
much.
to my wife.
No, you are creating trouble for yourself.
I need to speak to my wife.
Yes.
Shamo! Assault! Don't push my son.
एक जनता जीतेगी, हम लड़ेंगे. मुझे उद्धव ठाकरे कुछ नहीं कर सकते. उद्धव ठाकरे और परमवीर कुछ नहीं कर सकते. जनता जीतेगी. मुझे जितना मारे, लोग देख रहे हैं सब कुछ. मुझे जितना मारे, जितना मुझ पर यातना करे, मगर जनता आवाज उठाएगी. मैं जनता से अपील करता हूँ, आवाज उठाइए.
Father, they have beaten me, they have assaulted me, and they did not let me meet my family. They did not let me meet my mother-in-law and father-in-law. They beat up my son. मेरे बेटे को मारा. मेरे इन-लॉ से मिलने नहीं दिए. इन्होंने मुझे फिजिकली असॉल्ट किया मेरे घर में. मैं चाहता हूँ भारत की न्याय व्यवस्था सब लोग.
What's happening, Arnab? They're physically assaulting Arnab. Is that the way to treat him? Is that the way to treat him?